Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. Let's check in on Dashcoin. Let's remove some lower levels here. So Dashcoin, we had triggered this 4-hour double. Let me zoom in a little more here. There we go, triggers 4-hour double, pull back, then hit the first second, pull back again, then eventually blow through all the targets, which also then triggered on the daily basis this bigger double. And I'll show you that on the daily chart when we get to it, but already hit the stop reduction target and the first target, which is also a cluster area, and pulling back for there into the rotation zone. Right now, key support coming in about 349 to 350. If we did close below that level, we'd be watching for a bigger pullback to probably about 331 area, and see how that held. Let's switch over to the daily, because we'll get a clearer picture. So here's this double on the daily. You have the left-hand side, the right-hand side triggering here, running up to the targets, and you can see this cluster area right up here. Major resistance also you had up because you had all these dip buyers over here. A lot of them were looking to just get out, and there's massive selling coming in there. Right now we don't have the first pullback level. So again, I'd say I said 350 is key. You're going to get some minor support right about 343. If it do go below that, then we'll be watching for a return to about this 332 on a daily basis. And the final target for this is 402. I'd pretty much be targeting the 400 level on a rotation back up, but this has gotten pretty far pretty fast, so it might need a little time to consolidate, letting some more sellers come in, and then moving up again. Also now, if you wanted to, you could come here and do the other key GAN projections for the next push higher after the double, where we want to go to the 12 and the 25% projections, which, interesting enough, gives us this big cluster 402 to 403. So that's going to be a very significant level. Then another cluster returning to the 75% retracement level and the 25% projection level at this 416 to 417 level. So that's your key levels in Dashcoin. Switching over to Zcash. Zcash, we had the double here, pretty much blowing out all the targets right there, reacting just above there, pulling back. So those targets are done. Can then come in here and go from these lows up here. It also triggered one on the daily. See the next key levels up, found some resistance there, and then triggered this double on the daily basis. So we'll take a look at that after we look at the key pullback levels. Key pullback levels right now, we're going to be watching for anywhere from about 217 to 215 is key right there. And then if we break below that, the 202 level. Let's check in on that daily chart and see the double on the daily. There's your double on the daily. This was sloppy because we had this other little rotation back down, still using the targets because of this strong run up though, pretty much closing on the stop reduction target. We'll be watching for the bigger pullback though now. We don't have the first cross. A very key support is at 210 on the daily chart. And we can also then come up here and see where our next key GAN levels are if we project those higher. So if we get back up and get through this 246 level, we're looking for 251 and then major resistance up at 260. Really watch this 260 level on another push higher. We have the declining 50-day exponential moving average, a GAN target, and prior major resistance over here on the left. That's what you're looking for on Zcash, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.